Hello and welcome to another entry of Show Your Stuff, the official unboxing and product review series by MultiJames95. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get more updates on contents and videos like this. And don't forget to leave this video a like. So, we have here another package that came from Lichfield, should I say, United Kingdom. And we got this off from eBay. And let's see what's inside. Let's just clear these things out first. These are important documents that we'll have to keep. In the bag, we have to keep that too, as an evidence. Let's see. Like this. I bet we need to cut this one open with a scissor, but if it's not possible to cut it open with a scissor because it's heavily taped, we could cut it open by ripping it through the sides here. But not only that, I think we could use even our nail clipper here to cut, and it goes like this, just easy, easy as pie. And we have to set this thing aside, and this covering, open it to see. Look, this is a scale model of Etihad Airways' Essential Abu Dhabi livery. And if you look at the side here, I'll just focus that for you. There we go. It's an A330-200 1/500 scale. Let's see. It's just a plane right there. And the details. Here. Essential Abu Dhabi. Let's pop it open. Look what we have here. A stand. This is the manual, and it shows it's made from Lupa company, and it's a Dutch company from Netherlands. Let's keep this aside, and then what we do here is that we first open the stand. We just push the thing in. Oh, sorry. Just push it in a bit. It's fixed, and let's set it aside here. And now let's open our plane. It's almost like a 1/200. Oh boy. This engine has to be glued, actually. It's broken. Perhaps we need some super glue for this one. We're gonna work it out later. This is the plane. It's a metal one, actually, die cast. And you can see there it's a generic Visit Abu Dhabi Etihad Airways logo, the name, and it says Visit Abu Dhabi and Travelers Welcome in purple background. And last but not the least, we have our aircraft tail fin. Take a good look. Just very small, right? But it's cool. Now all we have to do is to glue this engine immediately. We'll find some super glue and then we'll get back to this later. So now we have our aircraft all glued up and the engines are already here. We've already glued them back in place. Sorry about that one because that was from the paper that I let this one stand on. So here's the plane. it's back in, and the tail's over here, by the way. We already have it. So let's just put the tail up here. And let's just be careful as we put it in place. Okay. And I think we have our aircraft assembled. There it is. Stands well. Now all we have to do is just to put it on the stand. And by the way, let's take a quick look below. There's the hole over here. And below you can even find the plane's registration. It's A6AFA. Let's put the plane on the stand. And there you have it. It's all complete. Now let's take a closer look. So here we are with a view of our aircraft. That is A6AFA, Etihad Airways A330 with the Visit Abu Dhabi livery. You will notice there that we have our front of the plane. You will notice that it has a UAE flag out there near the cockpit window, the Etihad name and Essential Abu Dhabi, and look at the landing gear there, FA also. This is a generic Visit Abu Dhabi plane. No 2011, no 2012, no 2013, no 2014, no 2015. It's just generic. It has travelers welcome. And look, it has there also our registration. I'll just make it clear for you, okay? There it is, A6AFA. The tail fin also has this colorful design, which is very good. And the winglets are actually also of a good design, still having those navigational lights there. And what's this? Abu Dhabi. Looking good there. Turn around. It's almost just the same thing. And there's the engines just right there, just glued back into place. Travelers welcome, just the same everything. However, I apologize, by the way, because look, when I bought this plane as a used model, it doesn't have the other two landing gears here. But that's okay, at least we have something on display. But I'll still possibly order another one like this, a 1400, which will add good to the collection too. And looking above here, it's almost the same as the real thing. You got your, although it lacks these bulges here in the real aircraft, but this one really does a good representation. And in the lower part, I'll just turn it over. You'll find the plane's registration on the left, A6AFA. There it is. Now, that's what we have for our aircraft, and I'd like to say that this is actually a very good addition to the collection because this is exactly the same model plane that I wanted to buy on board my Etihad flights in 2012 and 2013. On my first flight to the Philippines about like May 30, 2012, I wanted to buy this but it was out of stock. So I decided to buy this when I traveled to Oman for Christmas. But I didn't get to do it because I thought they were out of stock or that I didn't have much money. And I didn't know how to use a credit card at the time. Actually, the real thing is that I had a good experience, so buying this one would have been a good thing if I only knew how to use a credit card back then. So I would have bought this on my business class flights from Philippines to Oman, vice versa, in 2012 and 2013 as a memento of my flight. But now here we are 11 years later and I now have a used model. Although it lacks the gear here, it really is a good addition to the collection and it really helped in bringing more passion to aviation. I just love this one. Maybe I should fly Etihad again when I visit Oman soon. You know how much I miss flying them. Because that time there were no direct flights to Oman and Oman Air only began Manila flights in 2014. But let's see which one I'll try soon. Nevertheless, this aircraft is indeed the right choice for aviation enthusiasts and those who have a good experience with Etihad Airways. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get more content on this series. So see you again and have a great day.
All right, bud, welcome to the collection. On the shelf you go. I'm in severe credit card debt.